My car's so good at maintaining temp that it took over 40 minutes for that fan to come on. And that fan just came on. But I was making this video because for 40 minutes I couldn't get this thing up to operating temp to burp the system out. And the only thing I got is the radiator, the Get a Dom Tune cooling mod. That's it. I mean, the Killer Bee thing doesn't really count because all it does is cut down on your coolant. So theoretically it should get hotter faster, right? But this thing just does not like getting warm at all. Look at that. Even with the fans coming on, it barely gets over the first tick. Which is good. Because these things are supposed to be known for cooling issues, but for some reason my car just loves to stay cold.